Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge bond. Now, about 510 million Shibadoge token has been burned, has been destroyed within the past 24 hours. This is coming from the buying of Shibadoge. My Shibadoge are charging some certain amounts once we buy or sell. 510 million burned in 24 hours. I know this is not really much, but the truth is, at least this is a good sign for Shibadoge. It's a new coin and it's not even up to 1 year, and as you can see, this coin already burning 510. When you compare that to Shiba Inu that is burning just 15 million coins, although I know Shibadoge have a lot of zeros if you want to compare that to Shiba Inu. The truth is, I believe very soon we might be seeing Shibadoge burning trillions of coins in a single day, which will end up helping Shibadoge price to really increase. Though Shibadoge have a lot of coin in circulation, and that is why they need to focus on burning of Shibadoge. 510 million burn in 24 hours. To me, well, they've tried, but I want to see this number increase by 100%. Let's see, at least even before the end of this year, Shibadoge might be burning over a billion coins. That is going to be amazing, and I believe before the beginning of next year and before the ending of March or April, I want to see Shibadoge burning 10 billion, 100 billion coins in a single day, and even Shibadoge hitting up to 1 trillion coins. Then I think the possibility of this coin increasing is going to be more possible for Shibadoge to hit the level we are expecting it if the burning is going to increase massively. Once again, it is true, 510 million coins is amazing. I would say yes, of course, people are really trying, but let's hope that this numbers increases, because Shibadoge supply is much if you compare that to Shiba Inu. As soon as Shiba Inu that is burning this certain amount, I think that would be very, very amazing. But the truth is Shibadoge with 16 zeros, and Shiba Inu is trading with about 4 zeros. So if you compare these two, you discover that Shibadoge still have a long way to go. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.